Hey everybody, it's March 23rd, 2020. The city of Honolulu is about to go on a citywide lockdown at 4:30. It's about 12:30 right now, 1:30 maybe. So it gives me 3 hours before the lockdown. So I'm being real careful. I'm telling people to stay the fuck away from me because I don't want to catch what they got. We're off to get a fax machine. It seems like I just got a new phone line, so a fax machine seems like it'd be a good idea at times like these. I'm meeting the person. It's from a Craigslist ad. So it's a good thing I know all the back ways in this town. What are you doing, dude? Leave me alone, it's a road. What do you want, man? Like, get away, I don't want to talk to you. Like, people need to get over themselves. I don't want to fucking talk to you. Don't come within 3 feet of me. That's what I'm trying to fucking tell people. Like, get the fuck away from me. A bike is the best transportation right now. You don't have to be around people's germs on the bus. And here, let me see if I can make this light. It's a dangerous ass light. Look at these guys. What are you doing? You're about to walk right in front of me. No, you got enough room there? Hey, that was that one guy that let stay in my place. Bikes out today. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Aloha motherfuckers.